Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks for asking. So, in today's English lesson, let's talk about the months of the year. Are you familiar with them?
Yes, I am. We have 12 months in a year, right?
That's correct. Do you know the names of all the months?
I think so. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Great job! Can you tell me something significant about some month?
Sure. January is the first month of the year and is known for New Year's Day celebrations. February has Valentine's Day, and it's the shortest month. And December has Christmas and New Year's Eve.
Excellent! You covered all the important events associated with each month. Can you think of any seasons that correspond to specific months?
Yes, of course. December, January, and February are winter months. March, April, and May are spring months. June, July, and August are summer months. And September, October, and November are autumn months.
Well done! Now, let's focus on the seasons associated with each month. Can you match the seasons with their corresponding months?
Of course. December, January, and February are winter months. March, April, and May are spring months. June, July, and August are summer months. And September, October, and November are autumn months.
Excellent job! You've got it spot on. Now, I'd like to challenge you with a few questions about specific months. Are you ready?
Absolutely. I'm up for the challenge.
Great! Let's start with June. What is significant about this month?
June marks the beginning of summer, and it's associated with warm weather, vacations, and outdoor activities. Also, it's the month when many schools have their summer break.
Wonderful! Now, how about October? What makes it special?
October is known for Halloween celebrations. It's a fun time when people dress up in costumes and go trick-or-treating. Additionally, the leaves start changing colors, creating a beautiful autumn scenery.
Perfect! Finally, let's talk about February. What is a significant event in this month?
February is famous for Valentine's Day, a day dedicated to expressing love and affection to loved ones. People often exchange cards, flowers, and chocolates on this day.
Fantastic! You have a great understanding of the months and their significance. Remember to practice using the months in various contexts to reinforce your learning.
I will definitely keep practicing. Thank you for the engaging lesson and for challenging me with these questions.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure to help you learn. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. See you next time.
Thank you once again. See you in our next lesson.